Hey you guys, hopefully this isn't super shaky, but welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and today we're gonna kick off the vlog. So I'm excited because it's the weekend and it's gonna be a good weekend. It's a little gloomy out here, but I'm headed out to a bar class. This is why I'm wearing this shirt and like this on top. Like honestly, I feel more comfortable with like stacking clothes like this. I didn't want to wear like this long sleeve on its own because it's super cropped. But I'm heading out to a bar class. I'm gonna meet up with my best friend, and then from there I think I'm gonna go see my niece and nephew. So it's just gonna be like a fun chill weekend, not really like a whole ton going on, but I'm pretty excited about it. I'm really excited about seeing my niece and nephew. I think I want to go to like Walmart or Target or somewhere to get a few little goodies for them because I don't think I'm gonna see them for Valentine's Day. So I bought some like cute heart baskets and I wanted to make them some goodie baskets with some cute stuff for them. So I'm gonna probably prep that when I get home or after bar class. Bar class is at 9 and right now it's 8:23, so I have plenty of time to get there, chill for a little bit. I like going early to places because then I can just sit there, be on my phone, kind of decompress. Did I bring my phone? I feel like for some reason, like, did I forget it? Oh my god. Did I? Oh my god, where the hell? Okay, hold on. The phone is here, so yay. Oh my gosh, I got so scared there for a second. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue driving because I don't even know if this footage is gonna be usable because the tripod is super shaky, so we'll see what happens. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue driving and talk to y'all maybe when I get there.
I want to state that. All right, so
hey you guys, so I got done with my workout. It was so good. It was tough, but it was good. I am currently at the line at Starbucks. Matthew wanted a hot soy chai latte or whatever it's called, and I don't know what I want. I'm trying to decide. I've been doing keto and I don't know what to order, so I'm looking up like recipes. It's always so stressful to like order something when like in line and it's like, shoot, I should have parked, but I don't know, we'll figure it out, I'm sure. Here's this, like it's a caramel latte. It's a venti iced cold brew, light cream, 1 pump of caramel syrup, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and light caramel drizzle. I think I'm gonna order that. That seems good enough. And it says it's under 100 calories and so on. So there's also this one. It's only 160 calories and it's iced coffee, 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and 5 pumps of cinnamon dolce. So stressful. So stressful. Do y'all sometimes like get up to the to order and like freak out? Like I freak out. Like honestly, I'm like, oh, okay, fine, give me that. And I'm trying not to be like that right now. So
good morning, welcome to Starbucks. How are you today?
hi, good morning. I'm doing good. Can I get a venti? Yes.
Perfect. We're looking at a grand total here of $12.45 with the Starbucks.
Okay.
Perfect. Are you gonna want a receipt to go with that?
No, I'm okay.
They got that cold brew right here for you. Did you want a straw to go with that? Or?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, perfect. Cheers.
Thank you.
So have a good one.
You too. Okay, I did it. I freaked out, but I did it. Also, it's always super aqua taco like recording, and like so like people just see the camera and it's like, I'm sorry, I promise I'm not like, this is for my friends. This is for my friends. I'm sharing my life on the internet for my friends, to hang out, to like make friends, to make connections, but it is always super aqua taco, but I really don't care. I also got aqua taco from Katie from Fake It Till You Make It. She says that all the time and I think it's hilarious and I love it. Anyways, I was gonna go to Five Below or Target to get some stuff for the kids, for my niece and nephew to throw in their baskets, but apparently I don't have my debit card with me, and I don't want to use my credit cards because that's silly. I mean, I could always just use my credit cards and just like immediately pay it off, but I don't know, it's weird. Where's my debit card? I'm a little concerned. I'm sure it's home. But anyways, let's do a taste test and then head on home. Good. It's a little strong. I probably should have asked for a grande, but that's okay. I do have caramel syrup at home, so I can always add that to the mix and enjoy it. So cheers. All right, you guys, I did want to show you all my planner. I just got this. I wanted to show it to you all before I end the vlog, but I'm currently working, so I gotta make this quick because I have a quick little break here. But this is a Commit 30 planner. I saw Carrie post on it, and I was immediately intrigued. I wanted to give it a try, but it is like a book bound planner, so it's pretty interesting. It's a soft leather bound, but it's a Commit 30 for 2023. I got this on sale actually because supposedly it had some like damage to the cover, but there's like absolutely nothing wrong with it, at least in my eyes, and it looks perfectly fine. But let me just quickly show you all. It like opens up. It comes with this sticker sheet and this like little bookmark, and it has like Commit 30, commit, plan, succeed, hello, my name is, this year I will, I found if found, please return to, blah, blah, blah. And then it has 30 days of yoga, 30 days of Whole30, like all of these things. So it's pretty cool. And then even at the bottom, it has 30 days of, and then you can put in your own. And then here's like some blank pages, the Commit 30 logo, year at a glance, and then 2024, yearly calendar. And then you have my vision for like, it breaks everything down for you: adventure, pure joy, marriage, family, friends, finances, so on and so forth. And then my goals overview, my monthly goals overview, and then it has like kind of how you would use the planner, and then it has like to do, work to do. I just was really interested when I saw Carrie sharing this because of the way it's set up. It like breaks everything down. It's not something that it's so funny. I'm like, it's not something I'm gonna commit to, but we'll see what happens. I feel like my lineup is just all over the place. I really haven't been able to truly, I guess, decide or commit to a planner because I haven't found something that really works for me. Like, I had my Erin Condren hourly, which was pretty awesome, but I felt like I didn't have enough space to write extra stuff like I had on my Happy Planner line vertical, but they no longer have that. Like, if they brought that out like today, like I would immediately just go back. So I bought this. I brought my Hobonichi cousin out. I've been using my iPad, so that's kind of where I'm at. And this is the other planner that I'm going to try out. I'm kind of trying stuff out like pretty much every month, and kind of seeing what happens and if I do like it. But yeah, it's been a process. This is the monthly view, and then this is the weekly view. So you have the days of the week at the top. You have these, like, you can use it as like an hourly layout. I probably wouldn't use it that way. I don't know if that would be like the best way, but what I'm planning on doing is like work, personal, and like YouTube or like social media and stuff. I thought about going to a vertical layout with the Happy Planner, but I really like that I can enter in like breakfast, lunch, and dinner here, and like notes section, work to-dos, life to do. Like, it's just, I like the way it's broken down. So we'll see what happens. It is for 2023, so it has everything just repeats itself over. I don't know, we'll just see what happens. I did get the bigger size without knowing that it was this big, but I'm not mad at it. I'm pretty excited. And then it has a little folder in the back, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully I do like it. I am for sure going to add a ton of stickers to this, but so far so good. And I don't know, maybe this will be it. If not, I'm going to try, along with the Commit 30, I'm going to try the Hobonichi Cousin again. This is the one for, let me grab it. This is the one that I had for 2022, but, oh, my sticker, put it back in there. I did not finish it, so I can definitely still jump into it. Like, it's pretty unused. I think I filled out like February. Yeah, like, see, like it's not really filled out, especially like the dailies aren't filled out. So like it's a brand new planner. Like, does it say 2022 up there? Sure, but I'm fine with that. And I can redate it and work with it. So I think I'm going to try this together with the Commit 30 because this is pretty similar to how I would use my, my line vertical from Happy Planner. So giving these a try because I'm all over the place. I feel like I haven't been able to find something that I liked or that works for me. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.